Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be doing an engine coolant temperature sensor, ECT sensor. So if the gauge, the hot and cold on your dash, if it doesn't work, if it just stays at the bottom and it's not reading the temperature correctly, usually this happens after an overheating condition. So if you got a leak somewhere, if your thermostat stops working and your engine overheats, and usually it'll fry the engine coolant temperature sensor, also known as the ECT. Now this right here is a 2007 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter, which is a 6-cylinder. Now you got a 4-cylinder and you got a 6-cylinder, and they're in different locations. And I seen somebody do a video for the 3.5 liter. It looked real simple, but it don't really go into detail. And so I'm gonna show you how to get to it. So basically, all he did is he showed, bam, it's right there. Made it look real easy because all this was out the way already. But in order to get all this out the way, that's what you're gonna come to the car, and it's gonna look like this. So you got two 10 mil, you got a 10 right here, you got a 10 right here. Pop that up. This is a 10 millimeter right here. That's a 10 millimeter on this air duct line. So I took that out, just moved that up, set it to the side. This bracket right here is gonna be your main, this main wire harness. That's gonna be your main problem. There's a little lever right here, but you could just take the pry bar and just pop it up and just pop that lever right there. And I went ahead and I unplugged this coil pack and this probably a PCV valve or something like that. Okay, now that is, you can move this wire harness. You can even take out this 10 millimeter for this bracket right here on this line, and that'll give you some wiggle room. Then you can get your 19 millimeter, and it can't be an impact. It's got to be a because the impact it won't go all the way down. So you got to have a thin wall chrome socket. So I just had to set up like this, put it down on top, loosen it up. That's it right there. When you put the new one on, it's gonna come with a new washer. Make sure your washer's on there. Hand tighten it. Do not, you know what I'm saying, hit it with the impact. You always hand tighten stuff like this, you know, especially on aluminum heads and aluminum parts. You strip that out, you're gonna have a bigger problem than what you got already. Now, so I just run that down, you know what I'm saying, just hand tighten it. Okay, then I'm gonna tighten it back up. Bam, that's it. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Now this is a 3.5 liter V6 Nissan Altima, so it's in line with this coolant hose. So here's your upper radiator hose. Just follow it, and it's right on top of that upper radiator hose. Just going back right here, right between the V, right between both cylinder, both valve cover, both cylinder heads, right about there in the middle. But the other video I seen, he made it do real easy because he had all this stuff taken off. So if you watch that video and come looking for it, you ain't gonna be able to find it. But this is the right one right here. This is the video you want to watch. You want to keep getting all the pro tips, getting the good videos and the good repair tips. Please like and subscribe to videos. Thank you.